Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Today's video is for that quick, easy go-to look for your work from home meeting calls. This look is achievable in 5 to 7 easy steps, and all of them can be customized according to your own preferences. So let's get started. Makeup or no makeup, always get your dose of moisturizer. I'm using the Cetaphil Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Now you can skip this step, but I'm applying a little foundation to make my skin look even throughout. You can also spot fix with a concealer or apply a BB cream if you prefer to skip the foundation. Coming to concealer, I am using a medium coverage concealer to hide the darkness under my eyes. But there's a detailed video on concealer application coming up on our YouTube channel this week, so do wait for that. But for a work from home look, this will do too. Now using my Benefit pencil, I'm filling in the sparse areas of my brows to give them a more refined look. I feel eyebrow grooming just sets the overall frame of your face, and you must attend to them to look and feel smart. Now I'm not being too careful here, just quickly making both brows look similar and defined. Now to look awake, which you're probably not feeling, use some mascara since we're not applying any kajal or liner to keep things natural. Now for a flushed look, add a pop of color on your cheeks. I'm using Sweet Pea Blush by Flower Beauty. Last step, some lovely pink on the lips, and we're ready to go. Well, we're ready to go in front of our laptops, but what can you do? If you like this video, then make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll keep coming back with more fun and useful videos. See you next time.